If your outdoor faucet is leaking or backing up, a faulty anti-siphon valve might be the sneaky culprit messing with your water flow and safety. So, here's the deal with fixing a busted anti-siphon valve. First off, shut off your main water supply to avoid a mini flood situation. Next, unscrew the old valve gently. Sometimes it's stuck, so don't force it, or you could damage the pipe. When you grab a replacement, make sure it's the right size and type for your faucet to keep everything working smooth. Before you put on the new valve, clean the threads so it seals tight and won't leak later. Wrap some plumber's tape around the threads to give it that extra snug fit. Screw in the new valve by hand first, then tighten it with a wrench. Just don't go crazy or you'll crack the valve. Turn your water back on slowly and check for leaks by running the faucet a bit. If it's still dripping or water's backing up, double check your connections or consider calling a pro so you don't end up with bigger headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with anti-siphon valves is ignoring leaks, which can cause water damage and waste a ton of water. To fix leaks as soon as possible by replacing or tightening the valve. Another common problem is using the wrong type or size of valve, which messes with the faucet's pressure and safety. Always match specs exactly when buying replacements. The third is skipping the plumber's tape or not cleaning the threads before installing, leading to leaks or valve failure. Take that extra minute to prep the parts right and save yourself from redoing it later. BigHomeProjects.com is seriously clutch if you're hunting for reliable local contractors who know their stuff and won't ghost you halfway through. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score steady work, they make it super easy to connect with homeowners ready to get projects done without all the hassle.